Hi folks, this is the unboxing of a Merit's Pioneer 9 scooter. So when you get your Pioneer 9 scooter, you will get them in a box like this, on a pallet like this, so you can see how the box would arrive. So the first thing you would do, of course, you would take your knife here and cut the tape open. Now the box will open. Just make sure when you open the box you don't hurt your fingers. There's these copper staples here. They're very sharp. Make sure you don't cut your fingers. So you open the box like this. Now I can see in here the scooter and the seat. So the first thing you'll do is, let's just see. There's an inner liner. I don't know if you can pull it out. You can see the inner liner right here. Okay. It might be too big to pull out. So it might take one person on each side. So this is just an inner liner to give the box a little more protection. Okay, next thing I would do is just to make it simpler so you can see how everything works, I'm going to cut the box right here so you can see a little bit better what I'm looking at. This is what I'm looking at right there. So now I've got the box open. I'm going to put my knife away. I'm going to take the seat out of here. The seat is upside down here. So I'm going to put the seat down over here. Let's see what else we've got here. We've got some protection here. We've also so this is called your tiller right here. So you're going to want to raise this up. So there's usually a little handle inside of here. And here it is. So the handle is right here, folks. See it right there? That handle enables you to raise this up. Okay? I'll take some of this off. Okay, so there's a box under here. These will be probably your arms for your seat. We'll put that over here. There's nothing else under the scooter, which is great. So now you can pull the scooter sideways like this, or you can just open the box right here. And let it come forward, okay? So right now you can see it's not going to come forward because it's in gear, okay? Actually, it's not in gear, okay? So it's not in gear, so pull it forward. Right out of the box. So now we've got on here the basket. So you have the headrest in here. It's actually very well wrapped. So we have the headrest, we have the charger, and we have the battery cable. So the battery cables will have to be hooked up, and we have the charger. The basket. So now I'm going to put the basket up front real quick to get rid of it. So basket is on there. We're going to take this stuffing off of there. We're going to take the plastic off of here. We're going to get rid of this. So now the first thing you're going to want to do, I'm going to put the charger in here for now. The first thing you're going to want to do is connect the battery. So you're going to want to pull this cover. This cover should sit on there on Velcro, so you can hear it. It's coming off. When you pull the cover out, be careful. You have your back light cable is hooked up to the cover, okay? So best thing to do would be to just disconnect that for now. Put the cover down flat somewhere, not upside down, this way so you don't scratch it. Now you can see the 2 batteries in here, okay? All right, folks, this Pioneer 9 came with these cables. They're really easy to hook up. You can see black and red here, black and red on the battery. This scooter did not come with the bolts. I had to find bolts. So if you get a Pioneer 9 from us, and it's delivered without the bolts, probably the bolts, we lost them today on the unpacking, or it was never with the scooter. Just give us a call. We'll send you the 4 bolts that screw into the battery. So you would take 1 cable at a time, and you would put your black part, and you would use the, we have a washer here, use this little bolts, and they screw into the battery, okay? So you screw it into the battery like this. Should be simple, there we go. Then the red one goes to the red part of the scooter. Use the washer, put the bolt through it, put it through the, and screw it in here. And what you're gonna do, once it's screwed in there, you're gonna, now this one has a Phillips head, so I could just tighten it, turn it, and tighten it. I'm gonna leave that cable a little bit inside the scooter. I'm gonna tighten it, and what you're gonna do is you're going to take your cable right here and you're going to plug it right here in this part. So you're going to do the same thing with the other cable. You're going to plug it here and you're going to plug it in the back right here. All right, so that was pretty easy to do. As I said, if you don't get the bolts with your scooter, this might just be an anomaly. I had to find my own bolts, but we have them here. So you put the bolts on, put the cable, and plug 1 cable here, plug the other cable over here. This is your seat, and then take your cable and put them between the batteries so they're not sitting exposed on top like this. This is your seat post. If you need to adjust the height of your seat, there's a bolt right here. You can take it out. Right now it's sitting on the 3rd hole going up, so it's sitting pretty high. So the next thing you would do is take your cover that we took off earlier, take the cover that we took off, and remember you have to reconnect your lights. So reconnect the cable with the lights, and you can see the Velcro on the side, and you can see the Velcro in the back. That's what holds it on. So we're going to put it back on, and you're going to do the front first, get it through the hole. There's 2 little slots in front for it to go in. Make sure it lines up, push it on. You can hear the Velcro, you can see it's on there tight. And I'm going to turn the power off. We're going to bring the tiller down. So now, if you want to see if the scooter works, remember earlier when I pushed it off, it rolled, okay? So what you have to do now, there's a lever back here. There's a lever right back here. It's in neutral, so you have to bring that lever up so it's in gear, okay? Then I'm going to turn the power on and see if it'll go in reverse. There we go. So it's working. So now we have power. Now that you have power and you know everything working, you don't have to go back to the battery. You can put the seat on. Now you're going to take your seat. This is the seat that came with it. I'm going to take the plastic off of it. This seat is actually this whole scooter was actually well packed. All right, very important here. When you put the seat on, I like to fold it down. When you put the seat on this scooter, very important, okay? Let me show you. Put it on there. So it might take 2 people to line it up on the pole, but when you put the seat on, it's not all the way in. Hold that handle up right here. Matter of fact, I'm going to do it without holding the handle up. Watch what happens if I don't hold the handle. Seat goes down, it doesn't lock. I've had people spend half a day trying to figure out how to lock this seat, okay? All you have to do before you drop it down is hold the handle up, drop it down, let the handle go, and now the seat locks, okay? Very, very important. I get this call all the time, and you just got to hold the seat up, hold the handle up, and then drop it down, and you're ready to go. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to put the headrest on. And earlier I showed you we got a box right here, like we had this box that came in. These were the arms. Inside the box with the arm is your owner's manual. Of course, the charger you already know is here. So I'm going to take the arms out. And I don't think these matter which side you put them on. Right under your seat, you have a receiving male piece right under here. Slide it in. There's a knob under here. Go ahead and tighten up the knob so you have no play in here. Put the arm in here. And over here, you can adjust the height of the arm by tightening this knob right here. And the arm height is adjustable. You'll do the same thing with the other arm. So you will do the same thing here. You'll put this under here. You will tighten up the knob under here. You'll put this on here. You'll tighten up the knob here. Now, if you're looking at the seat right now, let me back it up a little bit so you can see this. The arms look funky right now. They look like they're further ahead in the seat. The reason it's like that, this is a sliding seat. So under here, there's a handle. If you watch, you see how it slides this way? So this would be more normal, okay? But all the way back, that's what the arms would look like. Okay, so this is a big seat. And if you want to adjust the tiller, you push it down, bring it to where you're driving. So folks, this is how to install the batteries, how to put the seat on without having too much aggravation, putting the arms on, the battery charger, the owner's manual, the basket. And so this is the unboxing of the Pioneer 9 heavy-duty scooter. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.